Hello, my name is Carl Mead, and you're watching the Esoteric Report. Please subscribe. Links to these stories are in the description below. This week, NASA outlines plans to send people to Mars. They say the next step is to redirect an asteroid to orbit the moon. They will then send manned missions to the asteroid to study it. Once they do that, they'll be ready to go to Mars. They say they'll be sending manned missions to Mars by the year 2030. Also this week, astronauts take their first spacewalk of 2019 aboard the ISS Space Station to change a few batteries. The spacewalk was supposed to be the very first all-female spacewalk, but some trouble with a spacesuit meant only one woman could go. The European Space Agency is talking about going to Venus. With all the discussion about Mars, we haven't been to Venus since the 80s. There's some new evidence of plate tectonics and volcanic activity that has sparked new interest in the planet. Also this week, a ferry off the coast of Japan strikes what many think was a huge sea creature. The crash left 80 people injured and put a 6-inch crack in the hull. This coming after just last week, a 12-foot great white shark was found bitten in half. What's going on down there? Finally this week, cat scratch fever is on the rise. A 14-year-old boy developed suicidal thoughts and was mistakenly diagnosed with schizophrenia after being scratched by his cat. Doctors say the scratches transmitted a bacteria called Bartonella, and this is what caused the symptoms. Doctors say almost half of domestic cats test positive for Bartonella. Doctors say to be on the watch, but symptoms are cleared up with some simple antibiotics. That's all for this week. Until next week, check this out.